The 1972 Mercedes-Benz W116 marked a pivotal moment in automotive history as it introduced the world to the concept of the luxury sedan as we know it today. It was the first model officially designated as an S-Class, symbolizing the pinnacle of Mercedes-Benz engineering and design. Its imposing stance, aerodynamic bodywork, and distinctive chrome grille exuded sophistication, setting a standard for executive sedans. The clean lines and restrained use of chrome highlighted Mercedes' approach to understated elegance, giving the W116 a timeless design that still garners admiration. Under the hood, the W116 was offered with a variety of engines to cater to different markets and preferences. The base models included the reliable six-cylinder engines, but it was the V8-powered versions, such as the 450 SE and 450 SEL, that truly showcased the car's performance potential. The 6.9-liter V8 in the 450 SEL 6.9 was particularly groundbreaking, offering 286 horsepower and immense torque, making it one of the fastest sedans of its time. The engine was mated to a smooth shifting automatic transmission, ensuring a refined yet spirited driving experience. The interior of the W116 was a masterclass in luxury and craftsmanship. High-quality materials such as wood veneers, plush leather, and polished chrome adorned the cabin, creating an environment that felt both opulent and inviting. The seats were ergonomically designed, providing exceptional comfort for long journeys. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized practicality and space, with generous legroom in both the front and rear seats. The dashboard featured a simple yet elegant design, with intuitive controls and gauges that emphasized functionality. On the road, the W116 was celebrated for its groundbreaking suspension and handling. It featured an advanced double wishbone front suspension and an optional high-drop pneumatic system in the 450 SEL 6.9, which delivered a smooth and composed ride regardless of road conditions. The car's precise steering and solid road feel set a benchmark for luxury sedans, making it a pleasure to drive both in city traffic and on the open highway. The W116 was also remarkably quiet, with soundproofing that isolated passengers from road noise and engine vibrations. The W116 wasn't just about luxury and performance, it was a leader in safety innovation. It was one of the first cars to feature anti-lock brakes, ABS, as an option, revolutionizing automotive safety. The car's rigid body structure, energy-absorbing crumple zones, and padded interior components provided unparalleled occupant protection. Mercedes-Benz's commitment to safety extended to the smallest details, such as a fuel tank positioned above the rear axle for added crash protection. While the W116 was undeniably a marvel of engineering, it wasn't without its flaws. The larger V8 engines, while powerful, were thirsty for fuel, which became a drawback during the 1970s oil crisis.